We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, talking to contractors. We're having a lot of traffic through the yard. I wanted to do this really quick. We have the 4-inch, we have the 3.5. We got the solid, the perforated, but the guys were noticing, they're like, man, the 3.5, it has more inlet. You have more inlet per linear foot. They can tell. You see the spaces on a 4-inch pipe are greater in between the perforations. Now this is our new wide cut. We brought the new wide cut to the show. It's just crazy. We just keep taking it up a notch. So our new formula for 2026 this spring is going to be the wide cut. Guys are preferring the new formula with the wide cut, but the 3.5 inch is what they're favoring for French drains over the 4, because there's so much inlet, you know, per square inch of surface area. So I just want to talk about that. It's really cool to see so many guys here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, coming through the show. We're here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, guys. Come visit us. Appreciate you guys.